Pete the Cat for Class President by Kimberly and James Dean. It's time for class election. Pete is running for class president. If Pete gets elected, he'd get a red new slide for the playground. Everyone would have music and art classes every day of the week. And wouldn't fish tacos for lunch on Tuesdays be the best? At home, Pete bakes his favorite cookies and makes buttons to hand out to his friends. He also makes campaign posters to hang up in the school.
A little paint would make these extra groovy, says Bob.
The next morning at school, Pete hangs his posters in the hallway. A few of his classmates made some too.
Your posters are super cool,
Pete tells Callie. And so are yours, says Callie. Everyone running for class president gets a chance to speak at an assembly. Callie is next. She gives a rockin' speech. When Pete takes the stage, he plays his guitar. Then he reads a poem he wrote.
We know that our school is cool, but what if our school had a pool? Let's have fun and sing a groovy song. Vote for Pete and smile all day long.
Pete listens to Callie's ideas. They sound even niftier than a school pool. On election day, Pete takes a ballot and steps into the voting booth. He had so much fun running for president, and it's even more fun to vote. Pete hands in his ballot. It's hard to wait, Callie says. Pete nods.
Waiting is tough, but I'm glad I get to wait with you.
Principal Nancy takes the stage.
I'm pleased to announce that your new class president is Callie! Congratulations, Callie,
Pete says after the assembly. You ran a great race, Callie says. But now that I'm class president, it's time to get to work. And the first thing I need is a vice president. How about it, Pete? Pete agrees.
I'm in! Pete for vice president.
The end.
Pete for vice president. Vote for me.